July 26, 2025. A brilliant flash cuts across the midday sky over the southeastern United States, bright enough to be seen from space, and loud enough to shake windows. Within minutes, it would punch through the roof of a quiet home in McDonough, Georgia, landing just 14 feet from an unsuspecting resident. What landed here is no ordinary rock. It is a meteorite, a visitor from deep space, and scientists believe it may have formed before Earth itself.
This particular meteor has a long history before it made it to the ground of McDonough. And to understand that, we have to figure out exactly what kind of asteroid it came from.
The story begins more than 4.56 billion years ago, in the chaotic birth of our solar system. This meteorite is a low-metal ordinary chondrite, one of the oldest and most primitive rock types known. It holds chemical clues from a time before Earth existed. Around 470 million years ago, a massive asteroid shattered in the asteroid belt. One fragment began a slow, winding journey, nudged by gravity into an Earth-crossing orbit. For hundreds of millions of years, it wandered silently through the void, until last summer. Entering Earth's atmosphere at thousands of miles per hour, the meteor blazed into a fireball, a rare daytime bolide visible for hundreds of miles. Some pieces vaporized in the intense heat, but one survived and made history in Georgia. Scientists at the University of Georgia quickly moved to study the 23 grams of recovered fragments. Because it was collected so soon after impact, the rock is pristine, untouched by rain, soil, or human contamination.
We believe it comes from a group of asteroids in the main belt, tied to that ancient breakup event. Studying it tells us about the early solar system, and the forces that shaped our planet.
Soon, the McDonough Meteorite will go on display at the Tellus Science Museum in Cartersville, Georgia, giving the public a chance to see and even touch a rock older than the world beneath their feet. It traveled for billions of years, survived catastrophic impacts, drifted through endless darkness, and finally found its way here, to a Georgia home and into human history. A small rock, with a story as old as the solar system itself.